Hello, hello. How is everybody tonight? Let's see. Tonight, I believe Zeno and I wanted to get a lot of the Signal R stuff done and going. So, let's see how that goes. Alright, let's load things up. Already got source tree updated. So, alright. Let's see what we got so far. Zeno had been working on trying to get our hub into basically get all our hub code into TypeScript. So it looks like, oh yeah, that's right. I still have this. I haven't checked this code in yet, but basically, as you can see, it skipped the ship select. But we do have full movement now. No collision detection or anything yet, but maps are moving, characters are moving, but nothing. We have signals going up to the server, but not coming back down yet. So that's what we're planning on working on tonight. So let's take this back out. Basically, I was testing out how the new hub stuff works. Let's see if I can streamline this into more real TypeScript stuff. And here's Zeno. Hello, hello. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Cool, cool. Let's see. Where is it?
Why do these things keep... All right.
So what's up?
I'm just looking at what you did today.
Yeah, I'm trying to look at how this is. The hub is TypeScript. It's like bizarre because there's like definitions already defined, but no
Here, show me
code.
what you're looking at, and I can see what I know.
Well, I find it weird. It's like all of this here.
Yep.
Because this is JavaScript standard here, like way of defining.
Well, it's TypeScript. You
It's
notice how there's a
is
like
there?
hub.client.pong equals ID equals.
Yeah, you're using Lambda to pass it in. But the thing is there's actually a definition for this, and I'm trying to figure out
Yes.
how this was
Created.
generated.
Okay.
So is this
Go
all
to
created
Social
by
Explorer and
SignalR?
no. It's cooler. Um, locate this file in the solution.
All right, give me a second. All right, what do you want me to look at?
Okay, so you're looking at. Go to the definition file that you were just looking at. I don't know where you went. So you're looking at myhub.ts. And just a second ago, I think you were looking at
Yeah.
hubs.d.ts. Anyways, if I can show you, if you open up the typings folder,
Mm-hmm.
there's a hubs.tt.
Yeah, that's what I just had up.
Oh, things must be laggy. 'Cause it's like,
On the screen share?
yeah. Okay. So when you manually run this text file, it looks for any hubs that we have defined, and it generates that hubs.d.ts file for us.
Okay.
And then what I figured out last night was what the signalr.d.ts, that typings file does,
Mm-hmm.
is that it defines $connection.hub. Is that what it is?
Yeah, the jQuery.
Yeah, what did I call it?
Connection
Hub?
main hub.
Yeah, I reorganized stuff, so I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so it defines $connection as what am I thinking?
jQuery static. Oh, a SignalR.
Yeah, yeah, it defines that as SignalR, and then I have a class called main, an interface. So I wrote this out by hand, and then I downloaded hubs.tt to get this to generate. So then you define it. So it's defining an interface called. It's not defining interface. So in hubs.d.ts, it's extending the signal R interface that was generated in the typings file and adding a main hub, saying, hey, yeah, there's also a main hub there.
Okay.
And then the same main hub also has a server and a client property on it. And that server, main hub server looks like this, has a send action, and main hub client looks like this. I mean,
Okay. Yeah, it was just bizarre. I was trying to figure out. I was like, these are lambda expression. These ain't functions. And it's like, but it makes more sense now that.
yeah, yeah. And so here it's just, it's applying the generating the function and assigning it to that
Yeah.
method. All right,
Cool.
so
Cool.
use. All right, so right now I think the load level, start level.
Yeah. So did that make sense earlier? What I was talking about, that the current state is actually basically our Poco for our screens. That since they inherit from
Okay.
a state, or basically extends a state, you have to pull the variable state from it. It doesn't propagate up like it would in a like an object oriented.
Okay, so I'm in the waiting lobby, and I want to get rid of this. I don't want the waiting lobby to automatically switch to the game. Happen here. Say load level. Why did I send this?
Alright, let's take this back out.
Oh, you're doing the same thing I'm doing?
I had the sample in there of basically like testing it out to see if that worked.